So in this MetaMask tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy Bitcoin with Apple Pay here on MetaMask. So once MetaMask is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom left and press the home icon. Then where it says buy, swap, send, and receive, you guessed it, press buy, and then at the bottom press buy again. On this page right here, you can type in the token that you're looking to buy here. So right, down below is Bitcoin. I can also select Bitcoin right here to simplify it, and then go ahead and select Bitcoin. Once you hear type in the amount of Bitcoin that you want to buy, so if you wanted to buy, I don't know, 75 bucks worth of Bitcoin, you type in 75, and right below that where it says debit or credit, select that, and then select Apple Pay because you're wanting to buy Bitcoin in this case with Apple Pay. Once that is done, press on the black continue button. It'll then bring you to this page right here where you have to go ahead and verify your identity. Once that is done, go to the bottom, press continue, proceed with the next steps to follow the next steps of the transaction. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward, but that is how to buy Bitcoin with Apple Pay here on MetaMask. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.